Do you often find it difficult to answer to your clients' inquiries? If yes, then I have a solution for you. This is the one step that you should take before starting your job servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be covering what is the one step that you should take before starting your job servicing business. This one very important step is to understand the processes of the service that you are selling. One thing I love about doing job servicing is that I do not need to have the specific skill for the service that I'm promoting. However, we will face certain problems while we are communicating with our prospective clients. So the very first thing that you need to do before starting job servicing is to have certain product knowledge of the service that you are providing. Learn and understand the processes of the service that you are selling. You do not need to study the service in detail. You just need to understand the whole process of it. Shortly, I'll be showing you step by step how I do my research and how I get to know about the processes of the service that I'm promoting. By understanding the whole process, you can ask relevant questions, and this way you look much more professional and you are more confident when you are selling the service. A very good example is if you are selling a phone and you know the features very well, you can convince the buyer to buy very easily. This step will also help you to communicate with your freelancer more effectively when it comes to the project details. And best of all, this will definitely lower down chances of having revision for your project. By understanding the processes of the service that you are promoting, you will show confidence when communicating with your client. Your client will trust you more, and in turn, this will drive up your closing rate as well. Most importantly, this step will ensure a smooth handling of the project. Right now, let me show you how I do it on my computer. So on Google, we need to search for processes of, example, a 2D animated video. So you can just search for the service that you are providing. For example, you are promoting website design, and you can put there processes of a website design. So once you're on the result page, you can see there are a lot of different processes involved, and you can see the result here. While every animation video project we work on is different, they all follow these 7 fundamental stages. So this is good enough. So they give you 7 steps on exactly what goes into a 2D animated video. Okay, so this is good enough. I want to know the animation process. So this way, I know what to ask the client, and I know the terms involved, plus I can also communicate it to my freelancer better. So what you need to do is just read this page, alright? Find out the process, to understand the whole process. This way, once you have a better understanding, you can communicate to your clients more effectively and also more confident. So the very first stage is usually the gathering of information. So you need to gather information, and you need to ask your client what is the project for, what is the video for. Basically, when you handle client, you just need to ask them a lot of questions, gather as many information as possible. This is also exactly what your freelancer will be asking you as well. So the step 2 will be concept and script. Usually what we charge is we do not include the script. So the script you can charge separately. This way you can engage either another freelancer to do the script for you, or most of the time, my clients, they do have a script themselves. So they will provide the script for me. Either way, you can just negotiate with your prospective client. The next step involved will be the voiceover recording. So from my experience, when I ask the freelancer to do a 2D video, the voiceover is included. But one thing is, I realized that they only include in one voiceover. So if your script consists of a female and a male recording, then you need to charge extra for it. So this is what I've gathered from reading and also understanding about the process of doing this 2D animation. This 2D animation will have different characters. If the video that your client wants consists of different characters with different voices, then you need to charge extra. So step 4, storyboard. So storyboarding is very important. Most of the time is either the client provide you with the storyboard or you have to charge extra for the storyboarding. There are a lot of storyboarding freelancers on Fiverr.com. Now you see, for this project alone, you know that there are so many different type of components and you need to charge differently according to what your client's requirements are. By going through the whole article on this, you will know what is needed, and they will also show you the examples of what is a storyboard, an example of what is the script will look like, and how the voices sound. And this is the storyboarding. By understanding the whole flow and the process of the service that you are promoting, you can then go ahead to ask your freelancer how much they charge and what is included in the package. Take this service for example, some of the freelancers charge extra for voiceover, some charge extra for storyboard. So you need to find out first before you start promoting this service. So for example, I will know how to ask the freelancer if they will be charging extra for music. And I found out that most of the freelancers actually provide free royalty-free music for each animated video that they do. These are the exact steps I took when I want to launch new service for my job servicing business. I was pretty new to doing 2D animated video, and luckily I did a quick research on all the elements needed for a 2D animated video, and this has helped me to price my service more accurately. Like I mentioned earlier, you do not need to study thoroughly about this service. You just need to read this one page of article and you have a rough idea what to ask your clients and how to convey the message to your freelancer. I hope today's tutorial is helpful to you and give you the confidence to serve your prospective clients better. If you have any questions regarding today's video or anything about job servicing, kindly leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!